Hello, hello, hello. Teacher Bern is back again and again and again. As a matter of fact, we are going to have another lesson which is in fact a fact. But first, what is the meaning of the word fact? Okay, so that means there is a truth behind a situation or information. Alright, so check your chat window for the word and the meaning of it. Alright, here. And how will you be able to know if the information that you are reading on the internet is true or a lie? No idea? Well, I think we need to ask somebody who knows how. And let's check it out. So, let's read the title. Fact checked. Alright, so fact check, that means checking a particular information which is true or not. And let's continue. Information is available 24/7. How do you know whom to believe? News literacy program help kids sort fact from fiction. Alright, so we have here the word fact and fiction. So we already know what is the meaning of fact, and now let us know the word fiction. Any idea? Okay, so a literary work based on the information and not necessarily on fact. Okay, not fact. That means a lie or not true. Alright. So Khadija Kanoongo 12 says she used to believe everything she read online. Then she took a news literacy class. She learned how to determine if a website is reliable. She found out that many are not. Now I am very careful when I read news on the internet, Khadija told TFK. Khadija goes to IS 303 in Brooklyn, New York. So IS 303 is a school in Brooklyn, New York. Marisol Solano teaches news literacy at the school. So I tell students that news literacy is really about trying to get the truth. Alright, so she says, and we have here the picture of the students and teacher Marisol Solano and teacher Brett Doben. So they remind IS 303 students to read critically for them to be able to know if the information that they are reading are fact or fiction. Okay, so we have here um, students from IS 303 and they are learning news literacy. They're taking news literacy. And okay, so these kids here are the students from IS 303 too. And I think they are also taking news literacy. So they are with their teachers. And of course, let's go to the underlined words. First is literacy. Do you have any idea about the word literacy? Okay, so the ability to read and write. And ting chat window. Alright, so how about the word reliable? Okay, that means conforming to fact and therefore worthy to believe. So I just put it inside the chat window. And of course, I have questions to ask. First is, what is the importance of getting news literacy? So we can find the answer in the article. Okay, so it is really about trying to get the truth. And where we'll be able to study literacy based on the article. Correct? So IS 303 in Brooklyn, New York. Well, if you want to know how to learn news literacy, you can check that school or the IS 303 in Brooklyn, New York, and that is all for today. Another lesson is about to come. Just check Teacher Byrne at Petra Academy, and I will see you the next time and have a great day. Bye bye. See you next time.